Can I construct a wall cube using nothing but some basic tools? Well, let's find out together because hey, why not? Ready to dive into another adventure? What's going on, everybody? I'm Greg and let's try to build something. But remember, every DIY project can be imperfect and you will face some problems. Even the final output may be a little bit odd, but don't worry, it's better to do something than nothing. With the depth set, I started drilling my dowel holes. Oops, at some point I've made one hole that should not be here at all. It can ruin my project. I don't have other spare boards of plywood, but I will think about this later. Let's see how it happens and if I fixed it. I'm clamping the jig to my dining table. Pay double attention to this. If you are off, you will not connect the boards flush. Make sure to clamp the jig tightly. I'm using dowels and drills with exact dimensions. In my case, 5/16 inches. As I was learning how my dowel jig works, I compared the dimensions of each hole and drill. I will try to use only simple tools like doweling jig kit, speed square, drills, dowels, steel depth stops, cordless power drill, and of course a vacuum cleaner as I'm building this in my living room. So let's start the build. As I showed you in the previous episode, my supplier has cut all the boards to length. If you are interested, click the link that pops up on the screen. You can also order such boards from somewhere near you. First, you must learn how your doweling kit works, so it's good to practice with some scrap pieces. Can you guess if I did everything correctly or messed up something? What do you think? Write down a comment. The top board is done. Now I have moved on to drilling holes in the sides. You need to be careful with the depth of the holes, so I adjusted the depth stops since I didn't want to drill through the faces of the shelves. The jig is designed in a way that you can align the holes based on the dowel's location. I'm checking the square for better fitting. I'm marking the sides of the boards so I can assemble them correctly later. My jig is not making holes in the center, so the sides matter. And halfway down, the second side of the top board is on the way. I've added glue to the sides and clamped everything together. I've ensured everything is flush, at least I hope it's flush. Now the wall cube looks like it should. And this is how I fixed my error. Glued a dowel and done. I don't have proper wood saw and this is why I'm using metal blade. It will do as good. Slight sanding is needed and the hole almost disappears. As always, before varnishing, I sand the whole surface and edges. Even if I spend a lot of time fitting everything and drilling dowel holes, you can see a few imperfections. But I've never noticed those small gaps after setting the cube in the right place. I've used transparent varnish and put the cube on the floating media cabinet. And guess what? It has been like this for 4 years already. My perfect imperfection. Leave a comment about what you think. Peace!